How's it going, everyone? Day 2. So just a recap. Super sorry I edited the other video. I didn't get all this down with all this that I did with the hoop. So I did the first one, my boys helped me. And then the second one I did by myself because they're busy playing, I didn't want to interrupt them. And then for the last 4, what I did is I asked my wife to come out and help, and she came out, and then we noticed that the SD card was full, so I'm truly sorry about that. Put a new SD card in, and then we placed the camera up top so you guys had a different angle. So today I am going to work on the end walls and get those all framed in, and we just got a notification that the plastic is going to be delayed another 2 days, so it'll be 3 days now before it gets here, which is alright. So I'll put you guys on a time lapse and I'll explain as I'm going on what I'm all thinking and what I'm doing. So kind of to recap here, the whole reason why we're building it up here on this rock wall, you got a rock wall there and there, is I got a new lawnmower last year. Well, needless to say, I went off the rock wall right there where my boy is down there, and it got hung up, thankfully, and didn't hit the bottom, but it was brand new. It was the first time mowing with it. And I've had nothing but issues with this rock wall up here. So we were gonna put it all in rock, and then last fall is when we decided to do a greenhouse, and we'd put it up here, so I wouldn't mow up here. And then the back half of it, we're gonna turn into like a flower garden or maybe some extra tomato plants or something this year. So that's why we're doing it up here. And I made it so we can walk in between, and I'll put mulch there, and then also we can go in between right here. So the downfall of it though is from that end to that end, that's level. That's a huge difference. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of patching, but the worst part of it is it's gonna make my door shorter, and it's probably gonna be a step up in there, so I'll have to do some configuring on that and bracing on this end wall. But it'll help if we put a garden bed in there because it won't put so much pressure on there. But I'll have to drive another stake in there, I'm thinking. So alright, so we got the door done, framed in, and then rough framed in, and then we had actually made the door. But I'm gonna change stuff up. I have the door over there on the concrete, so I have a level surface to work off of. I think I'm gonna do OSB on the outside because it has so much of it, and then I'll have it overlap so I don't have to worry about air leakage going in and out, and I can put a foam strip in there if I need to. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go get some of that. All right, so we got the door in. I'll show you what I did. Is we put it an inch past. See, an inch past here, and okay, thank you. Apparently it's lunchtime. So we went an inch past, and then we went an inch down to overhang it. So then I'm hoping it'll seal, and then I'll get some springs to put on the inside to hold the door shut, and then we'll get a latch for it, for a door handle. So we're gonna go and have lunch, I guess. We'll be back. All right, so we're back from lunch. Sarah's gonna be coming out in a minute when she lays the little guy down, and she's gonna tell me what she wants done with this opening. If we're just gonna put plastic in, poly in there, or if we're gonna put wood on the whole thing and put wood on the rest of the wall. So I'm gonna go to the other end, and I'm gonna start framing all that in. Okay, so I'm done for the day because I got it done. So I put that on there for now until I get the latches and hinges. The back wall is all done. You clean the window and stuff, but I gotta get two 2x6s to go across the top here. So once I get that, I can put the center post in. Before I put the center post in, I'm gonna put down my fabric, and then I get 1x12s to go on the bottom down there to cover in that gap, and same with down here. And then I'm gonna run 1x12s the whole length in here, so the dirt isn't against the green treated, because I don't want the chemicals and stuff in it. So that should work with that. And then when I start on again, I'll take you along with me. If you guys like what you saw, and if you want to support the channel, smash that like button and hit so you get the notifications every time I post a video, and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think of it. And glad you got to see me again. See ya.